cinders and ashes. My bad counterpart, boyfriend and Skaya's girlfriend and Rosie no, Sonic and Dr. Eggman yes, Tails and Silver no, my evil clone, Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no, Mickey Mouse and Pete yes, Minnie Mouse and Pluto no, and Wario and Waluigi yes, Mario and Luigi no. How dare you 7 laugh when SpongeBob and FNF yes, Baby Shark no, never going to make more sequel video out of you 7.
You 7 no, it's not funny.
I agree with Hazel Charbonneau. Same here with Ashley the Scene Kid Girl. That's it.
That's it.
You 7 are grounded, 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 grounded until St. Patrick's Day.
Go to your rooms right now.
Why?